How to log in or sign into your Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can log in or sign into one of your Facebook accounts. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now, first of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Facebook app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store in the search box, typing in Facebook, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the Facebook application, now I want you to go over and then open it up, and after you open it up, you can see this is how it is going to look like. It will ask you to log into your account, so enter your phone number, email address, or anything that you want, and enter your password. If you forgot your password, you can tap on the forgotten password button in order to go ahead and then also reset it. If you don't have a Facebook account, then you can tap on create new Facebook account over here and just log into Facebook in that way. If you don't know how to create an account, then you can simply watch our other video. But just to log in, you go ahead and enter the addresses which you have. In my case, I already have one of my addresses saved, so I'll just go ahead and enter my email address, and after that I'll just go ahead and then enter my password for this account. Now, once you've entered your password, if you're not sure what you've typed in, you can also tap on this little eye icon next to it in order to find out what you typed in within the password box, or else just tap on the login button which you see, and once you tap on the login, if your credentials are correct, you'll be successfully logged into your account over here, and just tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, as you can see, you have been successfully logged into your Facebook account, and this is how you can log in or sign into your Facebook account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.